Welcome to English Practice Every Day. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition out is used in various contexts to indicate movement, location, exhaustion, and other relationships between things in a sentence. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition out indicating movement is used to suggest movement away from the inside of something. Preposition out is used to suggest movement away from the inside of something. The bird flew out of its cage. The bird flew out of its cage. Amy walked out of the room. Amy walked out of the room. Children ran out of the building. Children ran out of the building. The train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out of the station. The water poured out of the bottle. The water poured out of the bottle. 2. Preposition out indicating location is used to suggest a location of someone or something. Preposition out is used to suggest a location of someone or something. Jean is out in the garden. Jean is out in the garden. Emily stayed out until dawn. Emily stayed out until dawn. Jean lives out in the countryside. Jean lives out in the countryside. The stars are out in the night sky. The stars are out in the night sky. The ship is sailing out in the ocean. The ship is sailing out in the ocean. 3. Preposition out indicating exhaustion is used to describe reaching the end of something or using all of a resource. Preposition out is used to describe reaching the end of something or using all of a resource. My phone is out of battery. My phone is out of battery. The shop is out of bread today. The shop is out of bread today. Leo was out of breath after running. Leo was out of breath after running. I am out of cash. Can you lend me some? I am out of cash. Can you lend me some? The team played well but were out of luck. The team played well but were out of luck. 4. Preposition out indicating elimination is used to imply the removal of something from something. Preposition out is used to imply the removal of something from something. I cut out sugar from my diet. I cut out sugar from my diet. Mary scratched out the wrong answer. Mary scratched out the wrong answer. They weeded out the weak candidates. They weeded out the weak candidates. The doctor ruled out any serious illness. The doctor ruled out any serious illness. The editor crossed out the irrelevant paragraph. The editor crossed out the irrelevant paragraph. 5. Preposition out indicating expression is used to describe the act of expressing something. Preposition out is used to describe the act of expressing something. Eve cried out in pain. Eve cried out in pain. David let out a sigh of relief. David let out a sigh of relief. The kids shouted out with joy. The kids shouted out with joy. Emily burst out laughing at the joke. Emily burst out laughing at the joke. The audience broke out into applause. The audience broke out into applause. 6. Preposition out indicating disclosure or revelation is used when revealing or making something known. Preposition out is used when revealing or making something known. Don't let out the secret. Don't let out the secret. The truth finally came out. The truth finally came out. Adam finally came out as gay. Adam finally came out as gay. The news leaked out to the public. The news leaked out to the public. They found out the truth through investigation. They found out the truth through investigation. 7. Preposition out indicating production or creation is used to indicate the result of a process or action. Preposition out is used to indicate the result of a process or action. The flowers are out in full bloom. The flowers are out in full bloom. The bakery sells out bread by noon. The bakery sells out bread by noon. The factory churns out cars every day. The factory churns out cars every day. Bob cranked out a new song every week. Bob cranked out a new song every week. The writer puts out a new book every year. The writer puts out a new book every year. 8. Preposition out indicating availability is used to indicate the availability for purchase of something. Preposition out is used to indicate the availability for purchase of something. The movie is out on DVD. The movie is out on DVD. The new iPhone is out in stores. The new iPhone is out in stores. The concert tickets are out for sale. The concert tickets are out for sale. All the fresh produce is out in the market. All the fresh produce is out in the market. The latest issue of the magazine is out on shelves. The latest issue of the magazine is out on shelves. 9. Preposition out indicating alignment or arrangement is used to describe the positioning or arrangement of something. Preposition out is used to describe the positioning or arrangement of something. The books are out on the shelf. The books are out on the shelf. The dishes are out on the table. The dishes are out on the table. The clothes are laid out on the bed. The clothes are laid out on the bed. The files are sorted out in the drawer. The files are sorted out in the drawer. The tools are spread out on the workbench. The tools are spread out on the workbench. 10. Preposition out indicating visibility or projecting is used when something is visible or sticking outward. Preposition out is used when something is visible or sticking outward. The design pops out at you. The design pops out at you. The birds are just out on the trees. The birds are just out on the trees. Sam's good qualities really stand out. Sam's good qualities really stand out. The blue color in the collage sticks out. The blue color in the collage sticks out. The mountain peaks were out above the clouds. The mountain peaks were out above the clouds. 11. Preposition out in phrasal verbs is combined with verbs to create idiomatic expressions. Preposition out is combined with verbs to create idiomatic expressions. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Don't rule out that possibility. Don't rule out that possibility. The team figured out the solution. The team figured out the solution. We'll have to sort out the details later. We'll have to sort out the details later. He has been trying to find out the truth. He has been trying to find out the truth. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition out in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.